Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Escape tail light, easy method. Start by opening the liftgate and removing the inner trim panel to reveal the tail light bolts. Use a trim tool to release clips carefully so you do not break plastic. Locate the nuts holding the tail light and use a socket to remove them. Pull the assembly straight out and disconnect the wiring harness gently to free the tail light. Work methodically and take your time to avoid damage. After removing the trim, back off the three 10mm nuts and set them aside in a magnetic tray or container. Support the tail light assembly with one hand while you pull it straight out to clear the body flange. Depress the connector tab with a thumb and ease the wiring harness free without tugging on the wires. Place the light on a soft surface before further work. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make a funny but perfect parts tray, keeping bolts, clips, and small screws separated and dry while you work. They stack neatly in the trunk and save time hunting tiny pieces. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Reinstalling is basically the removal steps in reverse and worth doing carefully. Reconnect the wiring harness and have someone operate the lights while you confirm each function works. Align the tail light tabs with the body and press the assembly into place, then thread the nuts by hand before final tightening. Use snug torque only to avoid cracking the housing. Reinstall the trim panel and recheck all lights once the battery is reconnected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.